Happy birthday, our daughter. One more year from them. Next year we do it again. Happy birthday, our daughter. Hey!
Alright.
Alright.
Alright, ARIAH, here you go. Open it, let's see what's in. I'm so excited to see what's in it. Open it. No, open, baby, open.
No.
Pizza.
What do you think? Do you love it? So the party.
Okay, but I touch. Wait.
Carol, who told you guys that you can't eat candy so early in the morning?
11. So you're like 5.
You get a crown, girl.
You like your crown?
Yummy.
You are Princess ARIAH. Let me crown you. Need to fix up the ear. Shit.
Our work is outside.
Yes.
Hey,
You're a princess. Look, show Carol.
they have 3 little gems on it.
It's beautiful, right?
Yeah, there are 3 little gems.
Look, candies for breakfast. It's just because it's your birthday. Alright, I'm gonna make the porridge. You say you wanted porridge for breakfast? Alright, go over there. It's time to open a present. Go over there. Over there, baby. The present chair. That's the present chair. Alright. It's time to open a present. Because, you know, we're going to keep the party. When it's party time, you open the other present. But I just wanted to give you one before. What is it?
It's a handbag.
Let me see it. Turn it around. Let me see it. Let me see it. What is on the handbag, ARIAH?
A.
A for...
Apple.
What's your name? ARIAH. So A for? Now, can you open the handbag and see what's in there? You want any help?
I need help.
Okay, don't be afraid to ask for help. So this is the hold the handbag across you. That's the shelter chime. And these are just some more glasses, girl.
Glasses.
Yes. You love
This
them?
one look like the same, but the only thing is just peach.
Alright, girl.
Just peach.
Do you like it, ARIAH? Out of 10, 10 being the eyes. How much do you like the handbag?
100.
Look at your birthday cake. Show mommy if you like it.
I like
What's on your birthday cake?
Princesses.
Princesses?
Happy birthday. Happy 4th birthday, Princess ARIAH.
4 candles on your princess. Hey.
I saw that.
Oh, she said she wants to open her presents first. We're doing that first?
Yeah, it's her birthday.
Alright.
She chose the order.
So we're gonna open presents first. So Ariah's opening presents. That one is from Cairo. I wonder what is in there. Open.
I cannot open it.
Tear it, Ariah. You need to tear.
I know how to help you.
You want to help me? Go around.
Go around
there.
that side of her.
Go around. Sit beside your sister. Alright. Alright. Good job, Carol. Let Ariah finish. What's this, Ariah? What's that? Wow.
What is that
That's
in here?
beautiful. What's that, Ariah? It's a painting book.
You get to paint?
You get to use these and paint.
What does he do?
That's so
So this is a paintbrush. So you dip it in the paint and you paint everything. Do you like it, Ariah? Alright, so it's like you do like this, open it, the paintbrush. Then I think we take out this and open the paint. Asa? Where this go?
We'll do it up, people. Probably not now.
Alright, later we'll figure it out. But it says
Then you can.
it says watercolor painting.
I'll dip that in that some water on there.
Oh, and then it melt.
And then use it to paint. Something like that.
Oh, okay. We'll figure it out. So you can use this to paint. You and Cairo, because Cairo loves to paint too. Alright, do you like that gift, right?
Okay.
Do you like it? I think it's really cool, Ariah. Okay?
Yes.
What do you think? Do you
I would the other one.
You want
There you
another
go.
gift? Let's open the other gift.
You're welcome.
Ooh, what is that one? That's a big one, baby. And she's tearing away, and she's tearing, and she's about to finish the cleanup.
Like that.
I wonder what that is.
I see it.
Wow, let me see.
Alright. Let's
Is that a unit? What?
let's
What are these?
Tell me, what do you see?
Look. Another chain.
it's jewelry, Ariah. Look, you can put it on your hands.
And that's on it.
Ooh, what are those?
Even
Ariah,
have a
those
little
are
chain in
beautiful.
there. You like it?
Got lots of that, my gosh.
I know those. To
Look
put
here.
on
You
her.
can open a store with all these bags.
What the hell? I never done so it comes with something.
I with a water bottle.
Wow.
Nice.
Alright, okay. Oh, I see. Alright, you see these? You see these? Where they? I saw some diamonds. You should put it on the water bottle. Look here.
Look at this.
These should go on the, look, Ariah. You should put these on the water bottle and they'll stick.
That's
So
gonna be
you're-
And
so
also
cool.
on her hair.
No, that.
I remember.
So your water bottle is gonna be dazzled with all these stuff. Look, Ariah. Look.
That is so cool.
What do you think? Alright, let's see. Don't open the last one yet. We want to see exactly what's in this. What's this?
Can I see?
Oh, so cute.
Ariah, you have so many bags, baby.
Look.
Bags here, dear.
That one
It's
is
so fluffy
soft.
and nice.
So soft.
It's so soft, right?
Like pictures are real unicorns.
It's so cute, Ariah.
It's
He has
like
so
a
many
fluffy
bags now. Ah,
Oh, you can sleep on it. It's so
What
good.
about this?
Another one, but it's smaller.
Oh, it's the smaller one.
It's the purse, Ariah. So this is a little purse. This, I think you will love this. Take off your glasses. Put on this, Ariah. That is when you're sleeping, you put it over your eyes. So when you're sleeping, Ariah, yes, it's like the place is too light and Ariah wants to sleep. So Ariah put it over her eyes like this. Ooh.
Unicorn.
Not over the nose, just over the eyes. It's like a sleep mask for the eyes.
Well,
Do you like it, Ariah?
yeah.
It's, I think it's cute.
This is so fluffy.
Yes, you love them socks?
Look, it's like a little mirror to look on your cute self. You can put it in your cute bag, girl.
What does he do with it?
It's like looking at your what is
Some phone.
brush?
I guess so.
I don't know, girl. Just look at your cute self with it. Okay.
Stop it. Get some help.
Yeah. Let's see what else is in this one.
Is it a brush?
What is?
Something around the head.
Oh, when you want to be goofy, you can put this around your head. Let's see, baby. Like this. So it's cute. Really cute.
It's a pail. It's not a pail.
It should make noise, but me not hear it and make no noise. Yeah, it's like a little pillow to sleep with, Ariah.
Yeah.
But it should make noise. There's some battery in it. Daddy have to go get. Leo, there's something else here in it. I assume it should make noise. So you can sleep with that, yeah.
It's not making no noise.
Maybe that.
They're wearing 2 chains. Look here. Then give one other chain, you know, Leo.
That's not you know.
3 chain, okay. Only use, is it from mommy, daddy, and Carol? Only use when you have stuff.
I can't help you.
Let's open it. May I say, there's like, let's see with this.
You like I'm shy.
A unicorn. 1, 2. Yeah. One is blue and one is. Wow.
Ariah, do you like it?
Where 2?
Alright, what is that? You know what it is? What does it sound like?
It's a phone. It's a phone because we're showing me pictures.
Is it a phone?
Yeah.
Open it, let me see. Wow. Alright, Ariah, here you go. Open it, let's see what's in. I'm so excited to see what's in it. Open it. No, open, baby, open.
No, God.
Open.
No, sir.
Wow.
What's that?
Is it a phone?
No way. Let me see.
What is this? Is it a phone?
What?
Yes, look here.
It's a phone.
Whoa. Now it's time for the big moment.
It's baby charger.
Ooh. Let's light these candles. Let's light these.
I like the ice cream.
You like the ice cream?
We light the candle. Wait, we soon start that off.
Wow. Which one I got to put the candle on first?
Pour a little.
Oh no.
Maybe.
Candle can't eat?
No, don't go as it, baby. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. May the good Lord bless you. Happy birthday to you. Tell us now. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now? Happy birthday to you.
Are you 1?
4.
Are you 2?
No.
Are you 3?
No.
Are you
4.
Woo!
It's time to make a wish.
Make a wish.
Blow your candles out. Harder. Wash your hair. Harder.
I do not know which song.
Just sing anything.
Happy birthday, you, my sister.
Happy birthday, our daughter. One more year upon them. Next year we're doing it again. Happy birthday, my daughter. Hey!
Alright.
Are you okay, ARIAH?
Baby, she looks sick, baby. It's time to cut the cake. Let's cut the cake.
Because
It's the kiss. Let ARIAH cut our cake.
Alright, it's time to cut the cake. Come, Carol. Come on this side. Around this
I
side.
want to help my daughter go, daddy. Everybody cut it.
Come, Carol. Around this side. Around here.
Just get up a little, girl.
One,
2,
3.
Ooh.
Go again. Let's cut.
1, 2, 3.
4.
Good.
Alright.
Alright, get the first slice because it's her birthday. Alright.
I can cut the cake.
You get the first slice of the cake.
Yes, ma'am.
Whose birthday is it? Hey, are you enjoying your birthday, ARIAH? What did you do so far?
I opened presents.
Which one was your favorite present?
Is it before the water?
Which one was your favorite present?
Before one.
Oh.
Because
So what are you gonna do now, ARIAH?
we need to watch movies.
We're going to watch movies and eat ice cream and eat at restaurants. We're going to Peppers too. Did you know we're going to Peppers? Alright, did you know?
Peppers is not spicy.
Oh, nice. Hey young fam, welcome. So today's ARIAH's birthday. I don't know where the thing for the camera is. And as usual, we're in Ori. Now in Ahori, so I forgot without it. But yeah, it's ARIAH's birthday. Big girl is 4 years old today. Can you believe that I had this baby on the internet? Leo? You guys were here. Some of you guys would have been here from when I was pregnant. Leo? Yeah. When you see ARIAH grew up before on the eyes. Can you imagine that? That just makes you know so we are getting old. Look at the family. Yes. Carol, look at mommy. Hey. Let me take a picture now.
Look at mommy.
smile, Araya. You love your birthday, that's nice. I'm glad that you like your birthday. I love you too, girl. Let's see how we're going to start first. Look at that deep sea. We want to the pose, Araya. With the 1 foot pose. Hey. Ooh, what was that? 1 foot pose, Araya. Alright. Come, together now. You and Caro, together. Both of you now, over. Together. Alright. Pose anyway. Yes, next pose, Araya. Next pose.
Thank you. I'm talking to you, Araya.
Say like it's your birthday.
Oh, hi! Happy birthday!
Thank you.
You want to phone now? Yes? Let me put us and say, everyone, it's my birthday.
It's my birthday.
You taking them?
Alright.
That's one, Mommy.
Yeah. Birthday girl in the middle.
Alright, go in the middle.
Somebody fix the birthday girl crown.
Yes, it's sliding. Wait.
Carrie, man, you're not super close, you know.
Alright, carry on from this side.
The HS a show, man.
Yes, stop the shit.
Alright, crown. Let me take off you. It's gonna show like that. Alright.
Yeah, I'm gonna. There's looking about it now. Oh, sure. I want.
Come kids, here you go. Birthday queen.
They're asking me what are you doing? She answered 4.
Alright, you have to buy the ticket first. Carol, stay right here. I don't have any money. You have to wait on Daddy. Okay? Alright, both of you guys stay right here. Daddy's going to come. Do that there. Substitute soda to the slushy. You babe? Come around, come in.
Okay.
I'm just waiting for the machine to finish the slushies. Just 1 second.
Did you say large get a free refill?
That's why that's a free refill. I don't know, we can't eat it out, you know. No, we can't eat it out. That's why that's a free refill.
I am.
How was the movie?
So good.
Yeah, that not too full.
Eh?
Come,
Put in
come.
some. Guys?
Alright, come. It's not too full. Alright, now run in.
Wait.
How was the movie, peoples?
This was good.
It is good. I didn't think it was going to be stupid. It was good. Eh? What did we have in there? We just went and watched The Bad Guys. It was a pretty good movie. Kids friendly and all. Right, Araya, how's your birthday?
Good.
You're enjoying it?
Yeah.
Guess where we're going now? We're going to eat at Pepper's.
How is Pepper so close to CAYMAN?
Yes. Yeah, it was quick, right?
Yeah.
Who's ready to eat some yummy food?
So is Pepper's CAYMAN cousin?
Yeah, we can hold this. You can come out without spilling it. Oh, one can park here, so be careful.
I say if Peppers is come on, I'll be a cousin. Oh Lord. Can't take off no jacket now, still you know. Outside warm. Right, kids?
We have a birthday girl in your hand.
Yeah, we have a birthday girl in our
Happy
hand.
birthday, little princess. Look at you. Do we want to sit inside or outside?
Outside.
Yes.
What does she want for? Are you gonna buy?
I want cheese pizza.
Alright, so she wants cheese.
Did you see it? I did not see it. I wanted. Oh, where's the other side?
Let me take off your clothes, girl, because it continues to fall, alright, baby? Man, say my steak.
Lean protein.
Lean protein. Don't
Strong
do
like
this.
a lion.
This is yours. I'm gonna try the escovitch fish.
When was it? This side
never
they
ever
want was
tried
something.
that.
This side they want was
So bite.
sweet potato. Not sweet potato. Mashed potato.
All on girl. Alright, let me see what size they are. So she's ready for her birthday dinner. You know, look like clear, you know. I'm a wife. Thank you.
Thank you.
They went since Pepper start doing this.
Yeah, them change, man.
Eh? But Leah, me can't drink of this.
We will help you. Don't worry about that. Wait.
But this I'm not soda in it. They don't have
Oh.
soda.
I will have to wait for your pizza. Then afterwards you eat it. Those pizza are like yummy.
Alright, one pizza all by yourself. Wait, it's hot.
Rest of it, use the phone, no?
Knife!
No knife.
No.
Only.
This pizza look yummy.